Good evening, everyone. Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Fun Learning with Smita. In today's tutorial video, I would be teaching you all how to create hangman games. We would be using the same application ProProfs.com to create hangman games. Okay, before starting, let me explain what is this hangman game. Many of you would have played this hangman game in their childhood. If not, let me just introduce about the game to you. So it's just a word game where you will have to identify the correct answer. The questions would be read out to you all by your teacher, and if you give the correct answer, the blank is filled. If not, there is one animated man which is shown to be hanged to death if you give the wrong answer. So in case you're getting confused, let me actually create a game and explain it to you clearly. So you'll have to do the first step, that is type proprofs.com in your Google tab, and as soon as you enter the dashboard, you can scroll down and double click on the option Brain Games. Once you do so, you will see a variety of games in front of you. This is how a hangman game looks like. If you want to directly play a ready-made game, you can click over here. If you want to create from the scratch, you will have to click on the option Create Games, and here you can see the third last option, that is Hangman. This is how your screen looks like now. So first of all, you will have to give a name to your game. So right now, I'll just give the name as Fun Time for Kids. In case you have any instruction for the users with respect to time limit or difficulty level or the description, you can write it over here. So here I'll write that the questions asked are based on the topic management. So in case you have taught the topic management recently and you want to carry out a revision among your students, you can write a description in this way. Next, they are asking you about the game words. So you will have to type the words over here. For example, my first word would be management. My second word would be top level. My third word would be lower level. My fourth word would be middle level. So these are the words, that is the answer to my questions. So answers would be given over. You will have to write it over here. Next would be technical. And sixth word would be intellectual. So once you've written, I've at least written 6 words. In case you want to add some more words, you will have to click on this option, add more words. If you want to delete, you can click on this delete option. So let's see whether I can proceed with 6 words as of for now. So I'll just click on the option create game, and yes, you can see, unlike other games, this game allows you to continue with at least 6 words. So the game is ready. Let's start playing the game now. You'll click on the option play game. This is how the game looks like. It's loading. Okay, it will take some more time. Okay, so the game is ready, as you can see in front of you. So the teacher can read out the question, and as the students tell the answer, you will have to click on these alphabets. As like, let me try. Okay, this. I'm typing the word management, and you can see it's correct. Okay, and yes. So they are giving you a review or feedback, and then you go on to the next level. Then the teacher will read out the second question. For example, the board of directors comes under which level of management? So the answer is top level. So let me see whether the answer is correct. Okay, TOP LEV. Okay. So this is also correct. Now let us see what if the answer you give is wrong. Then the exact game going to start. So for example, I ask you the question, in which level of management is foreman and the workers there? So the answer is actually lower level, but for now, I'll just write middle level, LEV, okay, level, and I'll just write over here, suppose the wrong words. You can see the lifelines are going. There are only 5 lifelines, and once all the lifelines I have lost it, see, this is what happens. The man is hanged to death, and they give a feedback over here saying that I have failed. So let's try the next word. Once again, I'll show you what will happen if I give the wrong answer. For example, now next question is, the level which coordinates between the top and the lower level management is called as dash. So the answer is actually middle level, but I will write lower level. So let's see. Okay, V. Okay, so I'll write the wrong answer. You can see the lifelines are decreasing over here. The hangman is being created on the left hand side. Only 2 lifelines are left. And as soon as my last lifeline is also used, you can see on the left hand side what happens. The man is hanged to death, and the feedback comes that I have failed in this attempt. This is my next question. The skills required in lower level managers. So the answer is technical skill. So I'll just write TECHNICAL. C is already there, A and L. The answer is correct. I am proceeded to the next level. The last one, I'll again show you the right one. The last question is, which are the skills which are required by the top level managers? The answer would be intellectual. So INTELLECTUAL. The answer is correct, and the score is submitted, and the students receive a certificate like this, which is their achievement certificate with their score, with the name of the game and their name. So this is how the hangman game is created. So I won't recommend this actually to the educators, because this creates an impression among the students that in case you give the right answer, you are proceeded to the next level, you are successful. If you are unable to give the correct answer, you are hanged to death. So this game shouldn't be actually used by educators, but still I have taught you all in case you can carry out this game and create it for fun purpose, you may do so. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know about your opinions in the comment box. Thank you so much.